Generative artificial intelligence is impacting higher education in profound ways, from how we perceive the written words to the future of teaching and students' autonomous learning. Hello, my name is Alice Joubin. I am the co-director of the Digital Humanities Institute. Just like printed books and typewriters, AI is a technology of representation. Like other technologies of reading and writing, AI exists within an ecology of written words as asynchronous communication. While AI is not reliable to produce knowledge or even to retrieve factual information, it can amplify students' training in expository writing. Humanistic writing is an organized way of thinking. Effective writing is open-ended. It makes the familiar strange and the strange familiar. At the core of effective writing lies an awareness of the rhetorical situation, namely the target audience's needs. In this video, I would like to demonstrate some use cases for AI in the humanities. Here, I will showcase Perplexity.ai. The first tool that I use is Perplexity.ai. I use it to turn my 40-page long syllabus into a more digestible list of frequently asked questions and answers. So essentially, I'm asking the AI bot to massage my data, to arrange it and turn it into a FAQ. And this is incredibly helpful. I find that my students now read the syllabus in the form of fact more effectively, and they retain the information better. Well, my syllabus grew to be 40 pages long because of legalese and all the kind of the loopholes that we are compelled to plug more and more. There's also so much information these days, from campus safety to accommodation to absences, what to do in each case. I only use it to massage data, rearrange data, or serve as a sounding board where knowledge or domain knowledge doesn't matter, right? It doesn't have domain knowledge, but in terms of, say, formulating critical questions, it can provide student help to some extent. And so that's essentially what I'm doing, as you can see on the screen here. In this unit, I have demonstrated some solutions to the challenges of writing in a world of information abundance. I encourage my students to keep an open mind regarding uncertainty and to resist the urge to default to simplistic certainty. Instead of fetishizing the speed of writing or overemphasize the value of short-form writing, we should pay attention to the ecology of written words and cultivate critical questioning skills.